Hello everyone and welcome back to Hashtag Network. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use if function in Excel to make decision in your data. We'll start with the basic, then in the future video, we'll move on to if function with true condition and multiple condition. Let's get started. The if function is used to check if a condition is true or false. The basic structure of the if condition is like you see. Always the formula in Excel is start with equal sign followed by if, and we have a 3 parameter in if formula. First parameter is a logical test, is where we put our condition. Second parameter is value if true. So if value is true, the second parameter will be displayed, and the third parameter is value if false. If the value is not true, then otherwise it will go in third parameter. So in our scenario, let's say we have a student mark and we want to check if they pass score greater than or equal 50. We will use our formula at cell C2. So we will type equal sign and if condition. So as you can see on the screen up here, first we have to enter our logical test. Our logical test or our logical condition will test if a student marks is greater than 50. A student marks is at cell B2, so we will type B2 is greater than or equal to 50. The next parameter will type the value. If condition is true, the output will be pass, and our third parameter is if condition is false. So if condition is false, we'll give output of fail and click in. So the first student, Ahmed, his mark is greater than 50, so it will give output of pass. I want to apply this formula in other rows. I will go here at the bottom left corner, hold it and drag to the bottom of the table. And the formula, it will be applied for all rows. As you can see, this one is mark is less than 15, and this one is mass less than 15. And that is it. Now you know how to use the if function in Excel from simple condition. For advanced condition, we will see in the next video. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Hashtag Network for more Excel tutorial. See you in the next video.